In this video, I'm sharing how I've been maintaining my mini twist for the last week or so. So let's get into it. Before we continue with the video, I have got an exciting opportunity for you, and the brand Dossier contacted me and sent me these beautiful fragrances that are luxury without breaking the bank. You guys know I have worked with this brand before and I absolutely love their fragrances. Their perfumes are created with the consumer in mind. Regardless of what your taste is, they've got something for you. Their ingredients are high quality, sourced straight from France itself, girl. If you're looking for a distinct scent, fruity brown sugar will be a great pick for you. I love the magnetic nature of their caps. It just adds to the luxury feel of the perfume, if you know what I mean. This brand specializes in creating designer perfumes for a fraction of the price. It's like amazing to think that you can smell $1 million without spending so much money, right? Another thing about these fragrances, a little really does go a long way. Like a couple of sprays and you are set for the day. You can even combine a couple of fragrances to get that distinct personal scent that is specific to yourself. For something very subtle and yet luxurious, floral honeysuckle. I like this one because it's a little bit more subtle than the fruity brown sugar. Let me tell you real quick, I gifted a friend of mine one of Dossier's perfumes and she ended up buying her own and combining them. She's good like that. And she smells like $1 million. Nobody will know she is actually wearing a dupe. It's crazy. And this one I'm showing you right now is their signature ambery saffron. My husband gets the looks, the asks, the stops with this one. It's unisex, but really great on a gentleman. Dossier has a special giveaway for my subscribers, so check the description for details. My mini twists are about 2 weeks old here, and I'm just showing you what the hair looks like. Because I use glycerine and the twisting butter from Camille Rose, the almond eye, my hair has been super soft and moisturized. There is something about finding the right products for your hair that really can keep your hair moisturized for longer. This is not a how-to video. I'm still trialing and erroring, if that's a word, to see what's going to work when it comes to moisturizing, while maintaining a bit of decency to the style and not encouraging frizz, etc. So right here I'm showing you my spritz bottle, which I'm going to avoid, and what I'm going to do is actually put all my ingredients or my products into an applicator bottle and then going ahead to squeeze that into the hair. So I've got my water, my glycerin, my leave-in conditioner, and also castor oil. If you want exact recipes, I've got an ebook out, guys, that's going to help you master your moisturizing routine. Check it out. It's going to change your game. Anyway, I end up shaking that mixture and applying it to my hair. This is not a how-to video. I'm just sharing with you what I've been doing, and I will refine this process as I go along because I am quite heavy with the products, and it's probably a skill that I need to learn to find a balance between having moisturized hair, installing the twist really well so that I can keep them longer while still, keeping the hair moisturized and reducing frizz, keeping the style decent for, at least a month, because that's how often I wash my hair. As you can see, the mixture is a bit watery, which is not what I was going for. I just freestyled the mixture in this particular video, but as we go along, I will tweak things up and see what works for me, particularly for, the mini twist that I've installed and for the goals that I have for my hair. But what I'm doing here is just bearing down, smoothing the hair to obviously discourage frizz, squeezing the product into the hair, obviously focusing a lot on my hairline, which can get really dry. My ends, as you know, the ends can get pretty dry, being the oldest part of the hair. And my crown, girl, my crown for some reason gets super dry. Right now I'm going right in there to try and really hydrate and moisturize the roots because they do feel dry. If you haven't seen my installation video, go ahead and check that out and see, you know, how I installed the twist. Not that I'm an expert or anything, but just sharing my journey here. But I just wanted to say that I tried my very best to really install the twists well so that they can last longer, as in last for a longer time, looking decent, looking neat, and that I can enjoy wearing them and styling them in all sorts of different styles, because that's one of my goals for this year, to really find ways to style my mini twist and look really nice, even though I'm sort of using this as a protective style for the year. So this is what I'm working with after moisturizing my hair, running my hands through the hair, squeezing the product in, concentrating on the nape there and the hairline, because that can accumulate lots of lint and can get really dry because it's pretty exposed, right? The rest of the hair, you know, can hide behind the other hairs, if you know what I mean, especially if you put the hair in a bun. Anywho, I'm going right here with my scalp oil. It's a scalp oil that has got really good ingredients, particularly essential oils such as rosemary, tea tree, and peppermint. I've got a full video about how I make the mixture and my whole scalp routine, etc. Check that video out if you haven't already. It's an old video. I probably need an update, but it's really helpful as well. And what I'm doing here is just running my hands from the roots all the way to, not really to the ends, but just separating the hairs to really discourage matting at the base. Because, girl, I am not the girl to braid the base and twist the ends. I can't do that. Almond joy butter to finish, just because my hair feels like butter. When I put this stuff on, like, really, my hair feels like a cloud. No joke. And again, running the product in, squeezing it in, etc. Obviously concentrating on the ends, you know the drill. And like I was saying, like, I really did trial and error when I was, you know, testing out a few things with my hair to see how I want to install my mini twist. And I did attempt to do a braid at the base and twist the ends, but girl, that did not work for me. The takedown was ridiculous. I did not enjoy the process of doing that, installing, I mean, the braid and then the twist. I did not enjoy the look of it, and yeah, it was just a bit tedious for me. I found that the takedown could have really damaged my hair, and it would cause quite a lot of matting, especially for mini twists. Might work for bigger twists, but it's really not my thing. So right here at the ends, I'm just sort of clumping my ends. This is a method that a lot of naturals with long hair do, just to reduce single strand knots and to really just allow the hair to be as healthy as possible. I did add a little bit extra gel, but not too much, because I didn't need it. The gel that I'm using from Ali K Naturals, all I need to do is really just add water and it sort of activates the gel. So I like that about the gel, which means I don't need to use too much each time I'm moisturizing my hair. Right now, I am going to be going to bed, so I decided why not use these scrunchies to really just band the hair, and that way I can, you know, attain a little bit of stretch in the hair, but also reduce frizz. So these are a couple of goals that I have again for this year, to be able to enjoy my length a little bit more. And the frizz can really make or break your look, because yeah, once the frizz kicks in, the hair just looks like it's 1 month old already, just because you moisturized it, you know, 2 weeks post installation. So trying to do these techniques to reduce the frizz, get a, you know, enjoy a bit of length from my hair. And as I was banding my hair, I said, wow, like, this is actually a look. I thought it kind of sort of looked pretty cute. I know it's a banding method thing that I'm doing to go to bed, but I think the fact that these are silky scrunchies or satiny scrunchies, and the color of them is just beautiful. The gold, the orange, I love it. I thought it looked pretty good on me, and that's probably because I've got a warm skin tone, and these colors really go well with that particular skin tone. But anyway, I like the style as well. What do you guys think? I could have actually just rocked this as a style, but gotta continue, right? I'm feeling myself, but I ended up applying my satin scarf to bed. So just really putting it firmly on the edges there and just tying that up and going straight to bed. I will see you in the morning to see how the hair looks after, because it will be dry by then, and yeah, we'll get to see what happens. Okay, girl, it is morning time and I am just here to show you what the hair is looking like. And let's just say that it is better than it would have been if I didn't have the scarf on. However, the hair is frizzy, much more frizzier than I'd like. It is okay. It's not too bad, but for hair that is, I mean, it's not that old. I feel like the frizz was a little bit much still. And honestly, I blame it maybe on how I moisturize my hair. The product or the mixture was maybe a little bit too watery, and I added a little bit too much. And of course, glycerin encourages frizz. So this is a process that I'll be mastering and trying to improve on as I go along with my mini twists. But what I do love is the stretch, right? The stretch makes me enjoy a little bit of length from my hair and enjoy a couple of styles with my hair. I will be sharing with you guys some videos on how I style my hair and what little fun styles and elegant styles that I come up with while wearing mini twists, because I really want to look put together even if I am trying to retain my length this year. So stay tuned for those. I'm just going to show you how I styled my hair for this particular day and allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how it went, maintaining my hair for the last couple of weeks since installation of my mini twists. Like I said, I will be building on this moving forward, but I hope you enjoyed it, learned something, and yeah, comment below on ways that I can improve and adjust to continue to achieve my goals for this year. Enjoy. Bye.